What's up guys? This is D James and I'm back with another video. So, before ko mag-start sa akong video, I would like to thank all the new subscriber sa pag-subscribe sa akong YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And hope nag-enjoy mo sa akong mag-upload ng mga videos. So, for today's video, nakaka-collab. Yes, nag-video call gud mi gaina. Mag-cover me. And I know this song is very trending karon. I know kailan mo ani niya kay she's so famous on Facebook. Dagan siya gipang-upload nga mga cover sa kanta and I know nga nag-enjoy mo sa iyang mga cover. So for today's video, mag-cover me sa How You Like That by Blackpink. So easy. Yeah, How You Like That. So kinda challenging kay Korean siya. Pero ang akong ka-collab, easy lang sa iya ba? Marag, mara na yung request sa akong kanta. Magana na siya. So, di na to, dugayin ba na tawagan na to si Pandemic Girl here. So, ready na siya sa iyang kanta. So, ako'y mag-una. Tapos, siya sa may chorus na bit. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Let's go. Blackpink in your area. 보란듯이 너네졌어. 바라기 툭 꺼지지 아까지 엊그자락 잡겠다고 준너도 두 손을 뻗어봐도 다시 깜깜한 이곳에 light up the sky 네 두 눈을 보며 I kiss you goodbye 시겁이 웃어라 꺼져니까 이제 너희 하나 둘셋 How you like that?
How you like that? You gonna like that. How you like that? Barambi, barum. How you like that? Now. Look at you, look at me, look at you now. Look at me, look at you. How you like that now? Look at you, look at me, look at you, look at me,
look at you, and look at me. How you like that?
You're gonna duck and dust 100 and gonna bracket marijuana. Karma congressman. I tell you, Supana, what's up? I like that. Banga Sarah Karis Kosak. And just hack it, don't you let me like that.
Tanggal higuse shine like the stars. Ngemisara timya, I kiss you goodbye. Shika beusara kojanika.
I know Canada is how you like that?
You can like that.
How you like that?
Barabim.
How you like
that? Now, look at you. Look at you. Now look at me. How you like that? Now, look at you. Now look at me. Look at you. Now look at me. Look at you. Now look at me. How you like that? It's you that Look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane, yeah. Bring up your boss, bitch. Yeah. Blackpink. Doom. You like that? You like that? You like them? Yeah. Perfect. Update is Pandemic Girl. Ligid ba basta-basta yung mga cover no? So, guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. So, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy watching this video. Share if gusto nimo nga mas daghan ta magkatawa. That's all. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching.